In today's video, I'm going to share with you an incredibly lazy way to make money online. And how do I know this method works? Well, I've actually got a student who is absolutely crushing it using what I'm going to share with you in today's video. Now, realistically, if you can spare, say, 10 minutes a day, you can get this whole method up and running. But please make sure you watch this video till the end, because if you don't, then you'll miss out on some of the crucial steps in setting this up. And lots of people try this method and they fail for a couple of reasons, but we'll cover that in today's video. So let's jump into it and I'll walk you through this really simple process to make money online and from home, and like as I've mentioned, in about 10 minutes a day. Okay, so I'm now over on YouTube, and once you see genuinely how simple this process is, I think you're going to be pretty impressed with this. So this is a channel, this is one of my students, it's called Yuri, and this channel here is called How To Digital. Now Yuri started this channel a little over a year ago, focusing on, as you can see here, all of these videos. So like how to add music, so the how-to videos basically. But notice something about the videos: less than a minute long, less than a minute long, just over a minute, less than a minute. This one here is 3 minutes. But none of the videos on this channel here that are over, I've not found any on Yuri's channel which are over 4 minutes long. I haven't at all. And all of these, look, it's literally recording a phone screen. It's that simple, and it's how-tos. So how much is this channel making here for Yuri? So if I come over here, I'll just grab this and I'll put this into Social Blade and I'll show you this, because genuinely, if you're looking for a way to make money online, then you're not going to find many more which are lazier or easier than this method, in my opinion. So if I scroll down here, I mean, look at this. Estimated monthly earnings is anywhere, I'm in the UK, anywhere between £543 and £8,700 a month. So even if you took a conservative figure and put this in the middle, this channel is earning Yuri about £4,000 a month, so that's about $4,500 from uploading these really simple how-to videos. Now, if I go over here and I filter this via most popular, and then we'll scroll down here. So look on here, look, again, these are not long videos at all. You know, they're all how-to videos. This is Yuri here, and again, look, you can see, look, what's this here? Best free voice changeover, how to save Instagram music stories. Literally, it's just showing people how-to videos. And as you can see here, there's a hell of a demand for this, isn't there? It's just incredible, and all it's doing is recording the phone. So this is one example for you. Another one is this one over here, which is called Processing Brains. And again, it's the same sort of concept. Come down here, look, the videos are all very short videos. How to deactivate a Facebook account. I mean, it's had 1 million views. 1 million people are interested in deactivating their Facebook account. Come further on the page, look, how to go live on TikTok, how to delete an account. Lots more stuff on here, but they're all really short videos, and it's done done using a mobile phone. Pretty simple stuff. So how much is this channel here earning? Let's go over here, we'll paste that into here, and let's see how much these guys are earning. And look, I'll walk you through this process in a second, and the tools that you need for this, you can get them all for free, so it's pretty cool. So again, look at this channel, monthly earnings, up to £6,000 a month from doing similar videos to what Yuri's doing on his channel, is just these how-to videos. Really simple stuff. And with this concept here, you've literally, you know, how-to, you can create millions of these videos, can't you? Because people are always looking for this. So how does this work? Well, let me walk you through this, and not only will I give you the free resources, I'll also share with you some tips and tools for literally getting this whole method up and running. So the first part is you're going to need, obviously, you're going to need a mobile phone. Once you've got your mobile phone, you can literally download a screen recorder, or you can use free software like this one over here, which is called, it's OBS Studio. You can go ahead and use this here. And as you've seen here, it's free and open source software for video recording and live streaming. So you can go ahead and use this as well. Pretty simple stuff. And then once you've got this, or you can literally just go onto like the App Store or the Play Store and just type in Play Store screen recorder. And just go get, you know, a free screen recorder from here. And, you know, just pick any. But basically, once you've gone ahead and you've downloaded one, the next part of this process is we'd be going ahead and creating these how-to videos and uploading them onto YouTube. So literally, how would you do this? Well, you just go onto like channels like this one here, or like this one here, and, you know, have a look at what they're uploading. Or you'd simply just go onto YouTube and type in how sorry, it's not worked. Go on here and type in how to, and then do a space bar. Look, how to make this, or you literally go how to here, and look, it will give you some examples on here. Look, how to add a text on TikTok thumbnail, all of these here, and then go back and then press B, and you can look at all of these and then press C, etc, etc. This will give you some ideas. You can go over onto these channels here, and literally all you do here is go to sort by most popular, and then go onto these videos here, have a watch of how they're doing them, and then literally just do, record a video yourself, and that's it. It's genuinely, that is it. I mean, it's not going to take you long to do this method. So realistically, how long will it take you to do it? You download the you download the software or the app. Then once you've done that, you go ahead and you find a video that you want to create. So like in this example here, this how to deactivate a Facebook account, you watch it, and then you just create your own version of this. It's really simple stuff. So let me just pause this here. Sorry, I don't know why it's lagging so much. And I mean, look at this. Even though this video here was uploaded over a year ago, come down here, look at this. It's getting 187 views every single hour from a video this person uploaded over a year ago. I mean, it's just incredible that this amount of people here are searching for this and watching this video. Crazy. So, you see all of these statistics down here and these stats down here. How do you go and get these? Well, it's a free tool, and I'll drop a link to this below for you. It's called Vid Iq. And scroll down here, look, this is a YouTube certified partner, so you're not going to get in trouble for using this. Lots of content creators on YouTube are using this, and you go ahead and you get this, and it's a Chrome extension. Once you've got that Chrome extension, whenever you're on YouTube like this, it will give you all of the information on the right hand side here. So for example, if I was, going to create a video about how to deactivate a Facebook account, what would I do? I'd literally watch this video, I'd make my own version, I'd then come down here, and you see all of these tags here? I would literally copy those tags there, and then I would upload these tags here into my YouTube video when I'm uploading the video. Really simple stuff. The only other thing that you're going to need is, you see over here, a thumbnail. Well, literally, you can use free softwares for this. You can use Canva. Come over to Canva here, and literally go ahead and start with a template, and then just use this. So you see on here, you want to go to social media, and then just scroll along until you find YouTube thumbnail. There you go, and it's free, and then you can edit any part of this thumbnail here that you want. Once you're happy with this, you simply click on download. And one little tip for you, you see up here where it says title. Your title up here would be the same one as the video over here. This here, so this here would be your title. So if I come down here, deactivate a Facebook account. Look, I'll show you how quick this works. So how to deactivate a Facebook account, mobile phone, Okay, so I'd come in here. Let's give this a background. So really simple. We'll go to elements, and we will go to, let's just go with that. And then I'm going to drag this over here, drag it over here, drag this over here, drag this down here. Change that to blue. That'll do. Let's go back and have a look at this. Deactivate Facebook account. Okay, really simple. So I'm going to go down here, I'm going to go text, and then I'm going to go grab a heading. I'll put this over here I'm going to drag this over here, and I just put how to, and then I'm going to come over here, grab another one. I'm going to type in deactivate. Oh, sorry, I've done that the wrong way around, haven't I? So how to deactivate. Let me just make that a bit bigger. How to deactivate. And then I think it just said Facebook, didn't it? Let's just grab this, move this down here. How to deactivate Facebook account. Okay. Now, if I wanted to change the text, let me just make this a bit bigger. So if I want to change the text, so like this up here, if I want to change the color, just go onto here and click on white. Pretty simple stuff. So I'll change this one over here to white as well, and we'll change that to white. Okay. Oh no, sorry, let me click on there. Change that to white. Okay. Pretty simple. If I want to make this bigger, I just do this. I can move it up here. like so. But you see, this whole method from start to finish, it will not take you longer than 10 minutes a day using this. Okay, so let's just grab that, let's put that here, let's put that here, and let's leave that. Now let's go into photos and let's find something related to Facebook. Type on that, look at all of these on here, so I could use any of these. So if I wanted that on there, I could literally take that, grab that, I could put that over there. And then up here where it says add a heading, that there would be my title from over here. So where's it gone? This here. I'm going to copy that, I'm going to come over to Canva, I would put that in there. How to deactivate a Facebook account, and I'd put something like, step by step. My caps lock, I'm keeping my caps lock the wrong way around, sorry about that. Step by step. And that's it done. So that there would be my thumbnail, and then all I'd do here is I'd click on download, and then I'd change this from PNG to JPEG. Oh no, actually I'm lying, I'd probably keep it on PNG for this, and then I'd click on download, and then watch what happens. Look, it just downloads the thumbnail for you. So let me close that, and look, there is my thumbnail. So I've gone ahead, I've recorded the video using an app on my phone, I've got my thumbnail here, I've also got my video tags, and then the last part of this is literally just uploading the video onto YouTube. It genuinely is that simple. And look, if you want more ways to make money with your YouTuber channel, then you could go ahead and become a partner on Amazon, and you could link out to different products on there. You could do different affiliate campaigns, you could do sponsored videos, and lots more. But overall, look, that is a lazy way to make money on YouTube. And like as I've mentioned, this channel over here, this is Yuri's channel. Yuri went ahead and he actually went through my actual YouTube course. And you can see, if you want to check this out, you can go, there's a link down below, go ahead and check this out. It shows you many more methods for making money on YouTube. It's pretty simple stuff, it genuinely is. All you've got to do is know how to set everything up correctly. And I've had lots of students, and I'm trying to find Yuri, where's he gone? Come down here. Here it is. This is Yuri. This is his channel over here, over there, the How to Digital channel. So inside of this YouTube course here, look, you can see this is everything that's included inside of the course. So it's genuinely simple stuff. All it takes is time, effort, and consistency. Do you need my YouTube course to make money? No, you don't. But look, if you want to fast track your efforts, then you can go ahead and check this out. But look, overall, this method that I've shared with you today, it's simple, as you've seen. It's easy. And it's incredibly lazy because the videos take less than a few minutes to create on your phone. So literally download the app, record the video, go ahead, get your thumbnail, go and get Vid Iq, include your tags on here when you upload them, put a description in, and then if you're doing affiliate marketing and other bits, you include them down here. So look, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.